Look at all that leg room you've got. And we got a TV. It's not working though. I'm sweaty. But there's aircon on this bus. Well, I've got a spot on my face. What's going on here? Downloaded Sex and the City for our 12-hour journey-ish, roughly, something like that. It's 4 hours from Manuel Antonio to San Jose. Then we got to wait there for a few hours, go to a different bus stop, and then it's like 6 hours to Puerto Viejo de Talamanca.
How do I do it? Literally went it down. I went like that, and then I went like that, and I don't want to do it again because it hurts. But that is pretty smacked me. You can't keep it down.
We're ahead of schedule today. We have got on the bus from Manuel Antonio. We're now in San Jose. And because we're in San Jose, I'm keeping a close eye on our bags. Look, I've even put all my valuables in here. I've got my passport, my purse, my phone. So we're currently on the bus. It's 12 o'clock. We plan to get the 2 o'clock bus, so that means we'll probably get to Puerto Viejo maybe like 6 p.m. just as the sun's setting. Have some dinner and then go to bed. We've got a private room tonight as well, which is good. I don't know how to turn the aircon on. It's too hot. It's really hot in here. Like really hot. I'm really hot. I don't have any leg room. Look. Gotta move there. Oh, I've never been on a bus that's so hot. Look how sweaty I am. I'm trying to eat because I haven't eaten all day and it's like, I don't even know what the time is actually. It's like 3 p.m. Look at me. So hot, and I only just worked out how to get rid of my soda. I only just worked out how to open the window earlier. It's not that it wasn't working, it's just that it's really stiff. Oh my god. Jeez.
506.
Sí.
How is your cooking going, Sam?
Very well.
Is it? Is it really? To be
I
fair,
have more patience.
more patience than me. To be fair, your pancake looks good. I went through 2 pans. This place is a state. The receptionist was rude to me because I asked for a lighter and she was like, no, you don't need a lighter. I was like, well, it's not working. It's alright, we're gonna spend the day, we're gonna go out, we're gonna get some bicycles and cycle to town and melt our worries away. Here. Where is my 23?
There's 6.
I've just put the, yeah, there's 23. That is 23, isn't it? Yeah. Here we go. I've got a special parking space, that's fine. Right, I'm on the bike. There's no brake. Apparently I've got to pedal backwards.
I can't sit on mine. Mine's too high.
Mine's really high. Actually, I can, it's okay. I'm a bit terrified on this bike. I'd rather have a moped. They don't do moped rentals. Maybe somewhere around mine. No, I can't do this. Pura Vida. You gonna get one?
I might get the same.
Gracias. Quiero pagar con mi tarjeta, porfa. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not attached to me.
I love chocolate. I've been craving chocolate for about a week. If you ever have any worries, just have a chocolate ice cream. Everything is good.
Let's just leave the bikes here.
Just getting changed in here. This little shack. It's giving Shrek.
Is that an eagle? Maybe?
Oh, it is.
Yeah, an eagle.
Looks like, is it an osprey? I think it's an osprey.
Yeah.
Look at this tire. Not tire, look at all the road. It's crazy.
I feel like when you in the summer even it makes like 5 degrees different with this weather.
I can hear it. I can see the waterfall. Ooh.
Looked up the whole place last time.
Beautiful. Truth about Costa Rica, look what happens.
Instagram versus reality.
Yeah, literally.
Let's move it to the shade quick.
Just slap it with your hand and it won't be hot. Yeah. Gets rid of the heat.
Let's hope I'm not getting infertility. You recognize the tea?
Christmas dinner in Costa Rica. Hola, pollo. I'm obsessed with the bananas. I'm walking because it's really steep. La playa. La playa, ¿qué?
Playa Negra. The ribs, bone
Yeah.
bone marrow. Ribs.
Bone marrow, delicious. Oh God. Perdón? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Ah, no ahora. Ahora, ¿cuánto cuesta? 5,000. Ok, gracias. does that mean? 5 million? Me gusta la playa. Oh, you got them? Are they Tyler's? Huh? Are they yours?
No, this is Tyler's.
So Tyler has brought some swimming goggles, and I said I can free dive, but I didn't realise they're just goggles. They're not like a snorkeling mask with the nose piece, but I think I can still go down a fair bit. And maybe also as well, it might not leak as much because sometimes I have problems. Quite bright though.
Got the heebie-jeebies. Sunset with the hammock there too.
Everyone else is cooking. It's very good. Delicious.
All in one.
Look.
Doesn't look so good.
Yum.
It looks like a...
It looks like risotto.
Thanks, guys.